How to do a plank for beginners. Today we're going to look at the very simplest form of a plank and go through one or two progressions all the way through to a straight arm plank, and I'll also show you one or two common mistakes to avoid. Okay, so the very first plank that you should try is dropping down. Make sure your elbows are directly beneath your shoulders. Lay it on the ground, and then from here engage your core and lift up those hips. A nice flat line from your knees through your hips to your shoulders. Just learn to engage that core, hold that position. So that's the very simplest form of a plank. The progression from there is to come up onto your toes. So from here, I'm on my elbows, I'm going to step it out now, and again, keep it really flat. Drawing that navel and get used to holding that position. The next progression is to come up onto your hands. So making sure that your hands are directly beneath your shoulders, step it out into that nice flat plank, straight line from your heels, through to your hips, through to your shoulders, and hold. Draw that navel in, engage those glutes, keep it flat. So that's the progressions through to a full straight arm plank. Now, one or two mistakes to avoid. First of all, this, okay, this isn't flat. See how my shoulders are further back than my hands and my hips are high in the air. Take those shoulders above your hands and take it down to a nice flat plank. The second mistake to avoid is when you get tired, to let those hips just drop down, causing a little bit of pressure on the lower back. So keep those hips up nice and aligned. And the third mistake is people tend to drop the head when they get tired. Keep your neck in neutral. Squeeze those shoulder blades together slightly to keep that perfect form. Okay, so that's how to do a plank in its simplest form, all the way through to a straight arm plank, and a few mistakes to make sure that you avoid.